Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to add borders around cells in Microsoft Excel. So it should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're on the Home tab, and then once you're over there, you want to highlight over whatever cells you want to make borders around. So let's say I want to highlight this entire thing, and I want to make a border around the entire box. I'm going to go ahead and left click on this box icon right underneath where it gives you the option to choose what text and size font you want to use. So if I left click on the little drop down arrow, it'll give you options here. So if you want to select an entire outside border, just left click on the outside borders button right here and you get one border on the entire box. And you can play around. You can see there's other options in here. So if we went down in the drop down arrow again, you could do all borders, which means that every cell will have a border around it. And if you wanted to get rid of them, just click on the little drop down arrow, do no border. You could do the left, so if you want to do a left border, and you can do a right border. And you can build your own boxes doing this as well. So if you just want to do a bottom border as well, then you don't have a top. That's perfectly acceptable. So whatever you want to do, it's perfectly fine. And you can make them thicker as well. So you want to do top and thick bottom border, top and double bottom border. So if you have like a final total, like if you're doing a sum function and this is your total for an account, you can have a double line border as well. So that could be useful in certain cases. So it just gives you a lot of possibilities to play around with. And if you also wanted to erase certain parts of the border, you can left click on erase border, and you can left click on certain cells you actually want to just erase the section for. So that's really cool. And there's also even additional options. If you go under here again and then left click on more borders, you can actually build your own. So build small segments of it, change your thickness around the whole thing as well. So it gives you a visualization here, and you can even change the color of it. So definitely a lot of cool things you can play around with. And you can also run a line through it. I mean, there's just plenty of things you could be doing with this. So just wanted to give you guys some ideas. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.